Have you had persistent joint and knee pain? If you are experiencing daily pain and can't identify the cause, this is a good place to start. We have recipes that will definitely soothe joint pain and irritation. Turmeric and ginger. Turmeric contains the organic compound curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Ginger is known to possess numerous therapeutic properties, including the ability to inhibit the body's inflammatory immune response. Combine these two incredible healing herbs and brew them into a tea. Simply grind about half a teaspoon each of fresh ginger and turmeric root, add to 2 cups of boiling water, reduce heat, simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once your tea has reached the desired strength, strain out the herbs, sweeten with honey or stevia and enjoy. This recipe makes enough for 2 servings of tea, the recommended daily intake. Capsaicin hot pepper cream. One of the most popular and widely used natural remedies for temporary relief of joint pain. Capsaicin cream overloads the body's pain transmitters known as substance P. You can buy pre-made capsaicin cream online or in most grocery stores and pharmacies. Remember, always use gloves when handling hot peppers. Avoid contact with sensitive areas and mucous membranes, as capsaicin will cause extreme irritation and is difficult to neutralize once the molecule bonds to your skin. Epsom salt. Magnesium is an essential mineral which helps the human body to perform a long list of important functions, including the regeneration and healing of joint tissues and bones. While magnesium deficiencies are somewhat uncommon, it is almost impossible to get too much of it. While you could take magnesium supplements to help heal your painful joints, there is a much better and more relaxing way to up your body's magnesium levels. Try taking an Epsom salt bath. Magnesium absorbs much faster through the skin than it does in the gut. At the same time, the warm water should offer temporary relief from aches and pains as your joints and muscles warm up and become more flexible. Olive oil. Extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil holds the undisputed title as one of the healthiest oils in the world. For relief of joint pain, try consuming around 2 tablespoons of olive oil as part of your daily diet. The organic compound oleocanthal found in olive oil is known to inhibit the activity of 2 main inflammatory enzymes in the human body in much the same manner as aspirin or ibuprofen. While ingesting essential fatty acid-rich olive oil may help to lubricate joints from the inside, you can also use this remedy topically. Dandelion leaf. Dandelion leaf is an excellent herbal source of vitamins A and C, 2 important nutrients for regeneration of the body's connective tissues. Drink a daily cup of dandelion leaf tea to help speed the healing of damaged joints. Simply steep a small handful of fresh dandelion leaves in a cup of boiling water to make this tea. You'll also most likely want to add honey or stevia to your tea before drinking it. If you find that you aren't a fan of dandelion leaf tea, you can also add the fresh leaves to a salad. Just be aware that this herb is also a powerful laxative, so don't eat more than a few leaves at a time. Also, you can lightly cook dandelion leaves before consuming them to lessen this effect. Thank you so much for watching. Please make the comment below, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. Please click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.